Have you ever stopped to wonder if your strength as a man might actually be holding your family back? Today, I want to challenge you. What does it really mean to be a father, a husband, and a leader in your home? This isn't about pointing fingers, not at all. It's about looking inward, understanding the power of vulnerability, and taking steps to yield, to rebuild the most important relationships in your life. Stay with me because this conversation could change everything for you. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is a space where we talk about relationships, abuse, trauma, and personal development. I often reference women in my videos. Maybe because I'm a woman, maybe I'm biased, sorry. Or perhaps it's because I have personally experienced the forms of abuse I talk about on this channel. Or maybe it is because as a woman and as a mother, I sometimes feel vulnerable and I deeply understand the struggles many women like me face. However, today I want to talk to men. Yes, you heard me, brother. I want to talk to both married and unmarried men. I want to plead with you to be mindful of your behavior towards your wife and your children. You don't have to be tough all the time. You do not have to be strong all the time. It is okay to show your children that you can be vulnerable sometimes. It's okay. It is okay to agree with your children, even when you don't fully agree, because this fosters understanding and connection. It's okay to accept that your children are now grown adults, even though you may still see them as the little ones you raised. It's okay. My father was a strong man, and he carried that strength with him until his death. I never saw his vulnerable side. He always showed this tough, masculine exterior. He died fighting. Each time I remember my father, I wonder how much better his life could have been if he had just said, I'm sorry, just for once. How many men carry this weight, this strength, this masculine exterior, and this burden? How many of you are always showing that you're tough and strong, and this weight is weighing heavily on you? You don't have to. If my father has said to his children, I don't agree with you, but I will support you because I love you, that would have meant so much to us. Now he has missed out on so many life beautiful moments. He loved my sons deeply, but he will never get to see them again. He's gone, and he's gone forever. Don't let this be you. I am reaching out to you. If you find yourself in a difficult relationship with your family, with your loved ones, if everyone is saying the same thing about your behavior, take a step back and ask the necessary questions. Listen to your family and loved ones, because when the chips are down, they are the only ones that will be there for you. You can always agree to disagree, disagree to agree. You can forgive one another. Do not alienate your children, please. Do not alienate your children through your actions. It is important to know that alienation can have serious consequences, because studies have shown that parental alienation is a significant issue affecting families. While both Mothers and fathers can be responsible. Fathers account for approximately 31% of these cases. That is a true fact, it's a study. The long term effects are profound. Often, children with these experiences suffer mental health challenges. They suffer low self esteem. And the worst of it is difficulties forming a healthy relationship as they grow older. So it is important to address these behaviors. Addressing this behavior is essential to building a loving, supportive family and environment. The Bible that I know said the man is the head of his home, just like Christ is the head of the church. What does the head do? A head leads, a head directs, a head takes responsibility for his actions, a head loves unconditionally. That is the role of the man. Show your children that you love them, respect them, acknowledge that they are no longer children, but adults now. Adults with their own thoughts, with their own lives to live, and more especially, their own opinion. All your children want is a home free from abuse, a home filled with joy, with peace, with happiness, respect, and understanding. Saying I'm sorry can make an enormous difference. It can change the entire trajectory of a relationship. I'm sorry shows that you are taking responsibility for the pain you have caused. And more importantly, that you are willing to make a change. Taking responsibility for your action is not a sign of weakness. It is not a sign of weakness. Instead, it is a sign of strength. It commands respect and it shows a mature mind. It shows you are a responsible adult. It shows you are a responsible adult. I hope this message blesses you, my brother, and helps you reflect on your life. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I am happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching, and as always, God's blessing.